Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're just tuning in for the first time, you're welcome too. I just want to take the time to say thank you for all of you that watch my videos. Whether you're just embarking on your own lock journey, if you've been doing this thing for a while, or if you're just thinking about getting locks. I hope my videos, and this video specifically, finds you well. In this video, I am retwisting my own locks for the first time. I am by no means a professional. If you've been watching my other videos, I will tell you I go to the salon. I don't usually do my own maintenance. I can afford to go to the salon, and I just love the salon experience, and it saves me time, so why not? But now that I am well into my journey, 9 months, I don't have an issue retwisting my own locks, especially since we're on lockdown. Everything is closed, so thanks Rona, coronavirus, COVID-19, whatever you want to call her. Thank you for closing my lock shop. But anyways, this video is by no means a tutorial. It's more like, this is how I retwist my hair. I'm pretty sure there's better videos out there, but if you're a beginner like me and you want some comfort knowing that your clips and all that may not be exactly in the right place, it may not look professional or whatever, but you know what, I got the job done, okay? So just stay tuned and see how I go from this to this. All right guys, so as I'm retwisting, you'll see me use a few different things. First and most importantly is a spray bottle. I have another video talking about how I wash my hair and showing you guys that whole process, so make sure you tune into that. But there's essentially just water, so as I'm retwisting my hair, I can keep my roots moist and wet, and so that way you can't retwist your hair dry. It's not a good idea. It's not gonna stay. I have a couple products that I'm using. So my goal when I set out to do my own retwist was to not use really any product. I don't think I needed anything with a lot of hold or anything like that. As I'm shooting this part of my video, it's actually been like a week since my retwist, and using just water and oil, it's lasted. Like it hasn't unraveled yet. So I have a couple products. One is this Twist and Lock by Natural Beauty Hair Care, and I also have an oil by her as well. Scalp Nourishing Elixir, and it just has like a few different oils. This has just a few different oils in it: grapeseed oil, castor oil, sunflower oil, and avocado oil, and some essential oils. This Twist and Lock spray, as you can see, it's water based. Aloe vera juice, marshmallow root, flaxseed gel, sunflower oil, glycerin, bamboo extract, caffeine extract, fragrance. Yeah, so I just wanted something to just give me a little bit of a hold. Obviously, since this is like liquid, it's not going to give you like a strong hold. So in the back, I pretty much use just water and oil to retwist, and in the front, just for a little bit of hold, I use this. And we'll see how it goes. It's all natural, made by someone who also has locks, so I just thought I'd give it a try. I will post, if you're interested in these products, I'll post the link to her site or her Instagram below. So I also, in addition, you might see me with a comb. I was too lazy to go through and try to fix my parts in the back. Probably next time I go to the salon, I'll ask my loctician if she can like clean up some of my parts. I've noticed they're not as clean as they once were. And then I have maybe about, I had 3 packs of 12 of these clips. So these are the clips that I have. They're pretty long. I got them at CVS Pharmacy in packs of 12, and I used maybe about, I'd say maybe like 25 of them. But like I said before, I have no idea how clips are supposed to be placed, how far apart they are. I was like, let me just twist these and hope they hold. So stay tuned, watch. So let's get started. Here I've already done quite a few locks, as you can see, and I'm not using a mirror or anything else like that. I'm literally just watching TV and using my fingers to help me find the locks and section off my hair and things like that. There's no rhyme or reason to how I parted my hair for this. I'm just starting from the back row and working my way through the front sections. So essentially, like I told you, this is not a tutorial. I'm not palm rolling. I'm just, I've palm rolled a few of my locks just to try to practice, but I don't really have the technique down completely. And I feel like some of my locks are a little fragile for palm rolling. But anyway, I'm just grabbing a lock. Here my hair was still wet. I had just washed my hair, so you don't see me going in with the spray bottle at all. I just take, a section of locks, apply some oil to it, rub it in, and then just lock by lock retwist the locks. I just literally just grab them between my fingers and twist them in the same direction. I'm 90% sure that it's the same direction that my loctician uses, but I am being consistent with my methodology here. As you can see, there is no rhyme or reason to the clip placement. Here I'm working on the front of my hair, and obviously since I've been working for some time, this is after I did the whole back section of my hair. The front of my hair was a little dry, so I have to go in with some water and then the twist and lock spray and a little oil. So here I'm separating the locks, moving the one that I'm not retwisting out the way, and like I said, I just take it between my fingers and twist it around. And I make sure I go the same direction for every single lock and then secure it with a clip. And I do the same thing here. I'm just attempting to do a little palm roll, just a little bit. And then just adding it to the same clip as the other one. As far as clip placement goes, if you could see the back of my hair, I didn't really have a rhyme or reason to the clip placement. I literally just retwisted and added it to the clip that was already in place. And I don't start with the new clip until I feel like, oh, there's too many locks in that clip, let me get another one. So no rhyme or reason, like I said. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but my retwists are still, my locks are still holding well with this retwist, so. Like I said, I just grab multiple locks at one time and apply the product. Not every single lock needs product. And retwisting with my fingers. At this point I was fed up and just ready to be done. So how I did my parting for this, I just did the whole back half of my hair, and I started from the bottom all the way up, and then when I got to the front, since I wear a middle part, I did the left front side and then the right front side and let it dry. Here's the only place that I'm actually using a comb. I used a little bit in the front to separate my locks and clean up my parts, but I didn't really focus on that. Fast forward maybe about 3 or 4 hours later. Here's the finished product. Let me know what you think. I think I did a pretty good job. I did go in with a blow dryer at first and try to, dry the roots and try to dry some of the ends of my hair, so that way I could take the clips out before I went to bed. But the best thing to do is to start in the morning, so that way you have all day for your locks to dry. If you have small locks like me, especially with fine hair, drying your hair probably isn't an issue. Your hair will probably be dry within like a few hours like mine. But if you have thicker hair or you have longer, thicker locks, then you'd want to definitely start in the morning if you don't have a dryer. You can also, like I said, use a blow dryer to dry what you can, but it's pretty tedious and your arms will be hurting if you try to completely dry your hair with a blow dryer. So That is the one thing that I did like about doing my own retwist, is I didn't have to sit under the hot dryer. I just dried my hair basically with the air. Let it air dry. But that's it, folks, on my retwist. Let me know below in the comment section how I did. If you have any tips or tricks for me, feel free to comment, or if you have any questions that I did not answer in this video, feel free to post them below, and I will, you know, of course, get back with you or answer them in a later video, whatever you have it. So stay tuned for more videos. If you're not, like I said, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.